Today, we have a brand new winner chicken dinner.
Tender chicken bathed in an amazing creamy garlic Parmesan sauce.
Oh, can we talk about that sauce?
Oh, and it's easy enough for a weeknight dinner.
But yummy enough for your next dinner party.
That it is yummy.
Yummy is the word. I tell you, it's so good. I love coming up with new chicken dishes, and this is
to die for.
To die for. All right, so let's get going. We've got,
You got some chicken here.
We got some boneless chicken breasts, and thin is always the way to go. You can usually find thin chicken breasts. I don't recommend tenders, but thin chicken breast is good. If you only can get the big ones, just cut them in half and pound them. Okay.
Yeah, I don't mind a big chicken breast, though. That's good. All right.
That's about 4 ounces
We
each.
are going to throw on some salt and pepper, and Chris is going to do salt and pepper. I'm going to do some paprika.
We're going to season them with, that's some smoked paprika.
I love this. And I
do
love how it adds a little color.
Adds a nice little color
to the breast. It's so amazing.
It's really good.
Okay.
We're really trying to work here together. So while he's doing that, and then we're going to dredge them in the flour. I've got my skillet that I'm heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay.
All right, I'm going to turn these over real quick and do the same thing.
And I'm going to hit these with a little salt, a little bit of pepper. And the great thing is that, again, it's so easy.
Oops, sorry.
It's so easy. You can. It's like we said in the opening. It's great for weeknight dinner. Your family's going to be like, "Wow, you pulled out all the stuff for this."
What is going on?
Like, it's really not that hard. And
but you don't have to tell them.
You don't have to tell them. Let them think that you slaved all day at it.
Okay.
Now that's a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And that we're going to dredge it, and that's going to give just that kind of like that crispy exterior.
Yes.
Again, these are thin chicken breasts, so they don't take a real long time to do this. You could do this with skin on, bone in chicken thighs if you want to. That would be delicious. Yeah, but go ahead and bring them on in. There you go. And now we're going to let them. I'm going to crank up this heat a little bit. You want it to medium high.
I could put them all in there, but we don't want to overcrowd our pan.
Try not to overcrowd, because we're going to take them out once they're done, and then we're going to make the sauce, and then they all come back together. Oh. So we're going to let these go. The sauce. These only go for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, and then we're going to flip them. They'll be nice and brown, and they're going to get completely cooked through, and then we'll do those. Oh, smelling so good.
So gorgeous.
I know. Aren't they beautiful color?
Yeah.
So we went about 4 or 5 minutes. Just kind of peek under. You'll see if it looks nice and golden brown, then it's time to flip it. And we'd let it go for another 4 or 5 minutes, and then we finished off our other 2 breasts. You want to make sure they're cooked through. They're going to cook through again when we put them back in the sauce. But if you have a thermometer, you want to get an internal temperature of 165 degrees.
Look at those. Those are so good looking.
Now they're just going to hang out off to the side while we make this amazing sauce.
And I love how the paprika just gives a little glow, or makes it like a glow up.
Yeah,
that's what we'll say.
Yes. So this is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And now we're going to, a key component of the garlic Parmesan sauce is garlic, obviously.
It's lovely. Garlic is lovely.
This is 4 teaspoons. So he gives it, there's definitely a garlic flavor.
Yeah, but not enough garlic that will make you burp it all day long.
Right. Your friends won't be like, oh you need a breath mint. They might, I don't know. But anyway, this is, it just gives just enough of a garlic flavor that it's not overpowering. If you're not a big fan of garlic, you can just do 2 teaspoons. But it really is a nice balanced flavor.
It is great.
Okay.
It is so good.
It is good. It is fabulous. So now this next part is optional. This is a white wine, a good quality white wine. This is a half a cup. You don't have to, if you don't want to cook with wine, no problem. You can just skip this part, but it does add a depth of flavor that is really lovely. Now I'm going to crank up the heat, and we want to cook this until this reduces somewhat, probably about by half, and it doesn't take long.
No, it doesn't. Oh. I love how that has a little coating on this chicken.
Yeah.
What's our other? Oh, well, our chicken Parmesan.
Chicken Parmesan.
That's got a heavy coating on it. It is so good.
It's delicious. And then we have another. You should check this out. Our Parmesan crusted chicken breast. It's one of my favorite. It's been one of my favorites for many years. And you can.
Don't we have a Parmesan crusted cod too?
Yes, we do. We do with a romesco sauce. It's delicious.
But we're talking chicken.
We're doing chicken. But you do whatever you want. Parmesan is such a delicious cheese.
It is.
It's great on everything: lasagna, pizza, this. Okay.
All right, what do we do? What do we need?
So now what we're going to do is I've got a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and I'm just going to sprinkle this in there, and I'm going to use my whisk to kind of break up any of the clumps a little bit. You see that it is really cooking. I'm going to
turn that down.
Turn down the heat. It did its job, and you wanted, like I said, to kind of reduce it by half.
We are making a roux.
Yeah, this is going to be a thickener that's going to eventually thicken the sauce a little bit, not too much.
It is just too die for.
It really is. And you want to cook this for about a minute just to kind of cook out that flour taste.
Yes.
And you see how it's just created a roux.
The thing I love about this sauce is that it doesn't, like if you come back to it like in about an hour, it doesn't like
come back at you?
No, it doesn't come back at you, but it keeps its consistency.
It does.
It's so good.
It does. So this was 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth or chicken stock, whatever you've got. I'm just whisking this, and this is a very scratch-resistant nonstick, so don't freak out. Anyway, we're going to let that roux do its work, and it's already doing it. You see it's starting to get nice and silky.
I love that.
I do too. Now, if you want to, now we're going to add. We've got 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream.
Oh yes.
You could also do half and half for a little lighter version, but lighter schmear. Let's have some fun. But anyway,
in this house, please.
Yeah, I know. Who are you talking to?
When do you want these seasonings?
Okay, let's do that now.
All right.
So this is a half a teaspoon of dried basil and a half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Mm-hmm. You could also do, if you have some Italian seasoning, you could just do 1 teaspoon of that.
And how much?
And then we're going to do a half a teaspoon. Now the thing is that you definitely, and I always say you don't want to undersalt or under season, but we're doing a half a teaspoon. I usually do a teaspoon, but we're going to be adding some Parmesan, and Parmesan is pretty salty.
And then we've got some juice from half a lemon.
Yeah.
It brightens this thing up.
It does brighten it. You want to.
Ooh, this is a tough one.
Yeah, it's a tough lemon. It's like, no, I don't want my juice. That's good. That's perfect. You want about a tablespoon of lemon juice, okay? All right, now you see how that's already, it's just the beautiful sauce. Now we've got a half a cup
of Parmesan.
Great, it's the other key component, grated Parmesan. And I'm going to turn the heat way, way down.
Oh, I'm making a mess over here.
I know. Would you clean things up? Okay, so we are almost there, folks. You see how easy this is. And I'm telling you, this is like a restaurant quality. It's one of those restaurants, if you have or one of those dishes that, like we have our favorite little hole-in-the-wall Italian place that we love to go to. That's not, and like they'll have a special, and they'll have something like this.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So good.
Okay, we're gonna let this cook.
Look at that.
And I think we are good.
You think we're ready to put this back in there?
I think we can go ahead and put the chicken in. And there's little lumps from the Parmesan, but that's okay.
That'll melt.
So Now we're just gonna put the chicken in. We just want it to heat back.
I just want to place it in there. I don't want to cover it right now. I just want to place it in there because I love to see the chicken.
He likes to see the chicken
bathing.
He doesn't want to cover it up
because it's pretty.
It is pretty, and that's what really matters if it's pretty. So now we're gonna just let that simmer in the sauce. It only needs to go a few minutes, maybe 5 at the most. And then
that's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. And then it's time to eat. Oh, look at that. Oh, the smell is amazing.
I cannot wait to eat this.
I know. So you can serve this over pasta is really good. We love it over mashed potatoes because those mashed potatoes love that sauce.
And some green beans to add some color.
Steamed green beans, we often serve it, or you could do broccoli. There's so many ways you can serve this.
So good.
But anyway, let me do this. So we got a spatula here.
Look at that.
We're big eaters, so this could serve 2 people, but we could serve a family of 4.
Oh.
You can easily double the recipe.
Look at that. Here, Chris, slide that right there. I'm going to put this guy on top of it.
Okay.
There we go.
Right.
I want everybody to see that gorgeous color.
I know, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now it's time to do the sauce. Because, like I said,
that's a good idea.
The sauce. Don't be chintzy.
Oh, put some on those potatoes too.
I know these. Like I said, the potatoes are just, they love this.
All right, Chris, get yourself some in there.
Let me go ahead and give you a little. So I like to top it with a little chopped parsley for beautifulness, and then why not do a little, ground pepper.
Chris, you read my mind.
I know. I'm telling you, it's restaurant quality.
It is restaurant quality.
In your own kitchen.
Hold on, I'm gonna just
Okay, so now I'm gonna put this right here.
Go. gorgeous.
Like I said, you could double this. It easily serves 4 people. It's so good for even
throw it right
serving
back in there.
guests. Do like, have friends over and have the most amazing dinner
Oh,
party.
look at that,
I
you
know. I gotta
guys.
give myself a little more of this sauce. Okay, now a little bit of my parsley.
And then a little bit of pepper. And I think
And we are happy as
you
can
are
be.
good to go.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, and it's gorgeous
I'm
too.
dying. All right, I got
You
it.
know,
I got to do it, Chris.
I gotta dig in.
Oh, that's so tender.
So tender.
Look at that, you guys. All right,
And
hold
chicken
on.
breasts
I
are
need some of that. I need some of
affordable.
that. I think I
Okay,
need this
my mouth is
back.
watering.
All right.
Let's do it. I'm telling you, it's the new winner. I know. Heavenly.
That sauce. That sauce is so good. Oh my. Oh.
You guys, you're gonna love this. And you saw how easy it was to make.
Oh.
How you get that much flavor for that little effort?
I'm sorry. That is like 1.5 million % lewd.
Wow.
It is so good, and it's easy, and it's
You're gonna be making it over and over and over.
make it.
Make
Make
it.
it.
All
Don't
right, you
forget about
got-
the paprika.
That's right. All right. We love you guys.
Love you.
Bye, everybody.